So I saw Mr. Pete's series on converting a Delta bandsaw into a metal cutting bandsaw. And I thought I'd share my bandsaw and specifically show it to Mr. Pete. This is one that I picked up basically from a friend. It was pretty much a garage sale pick. And this particular unit has been converted to a metal cutting unit. Here's how they did it. Little wooden plate mounting the motor kicked out. And what do we have here? That appears to be a washing machine gearbox. A little transmission from maybe an old Maytag or something. And let's flip her on and check it out. So while it's not the prettiest conversion in the world, the thing works and it cuts metal. I'm pretty pleased with it. It was a good buy, and we use it occasionally. Although it's been in my barn, I haven't moved it to the new shop. Soon will be though, and we'll clean it up and maybe restore this beast. Thank you.